guys, it's Courtney from Home Brew Ohio, and today we're walking and talking our way through the different types of wine. I'll also be showing you the different types of wine kits available for purchase at our website, homebrewohio.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with all the latest homebrewing content. Alright, so let's get into it. Wines are put into categories based on many factors, including production method, the region that they come from, the types of grapes used, and the ingredients. There are 9 categories of wine: sparkling, light red, medium red, bold red, rosé, light white, aromatic white, rich white, and dessert. Sparkling wines are some of the most challenging wines to make. They originated in France and are typically what you'd think of when you think of the word champagne. Light red wines have low levels of tannin, which is the substance that makes your tongue feel kind of dry when you drink some wines. They're a great choice if you don't like that feeling. Examples of light red wine include Pinot Noir and Gamay Noir. Medium red wines are known for being quite acidic. Examples of medium red wines are Merlot and Zinfandel. Bold red wines have high levels of tannin and are very robust in flavor. Examples of bold red wines are Malbec and Syrah. Rosé is a unique wine because it's essentially wine that has been dyed with the skin of red wine grapes. The most classic rosés come from southern France. Light white wines are very popular, easy drinking wines. Examples include Pinot Gris and Sauvignon Blanc. Aromatic white wines can be either dry or sweet. Examples of aromatic white wines include Riesling and Moscato. Rich white wines have a creamy taste. They are made using advanced winemaking techniques like oak aging. An example of a rich white wine is Chardonnay. There's a lot of different definitions of dessert wine, but one good example is port. Here at Home Brew Ohio, we sell a variety of different winemaking kits, like Wine Expert, Orchard Breezin', and En Premier wine ingredient kits, in 6-gallon and 1-gallon versions. We also have Vinter's Best winemaking equipment kits, and of course, all the bottles and labels you need for the finished product. So that was a little bit about each of the different types of wine. We hope that the next time you pick up a wine glass, you can have a little bit more confidence in doing so. Don't forget, all of the wine kits shown in this video are in the link in the description below, or go online to homebrewohio.com to search all of our home brewing supplies. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.